I found this game that's exactly like Teardown, you guys. Remember to like and subscribe to Dex, Liam, Rabiam, Bigosaurus, Liam Rabiam, and obviously me. Subscribe to all the channels or a spider will be under your bed. A really big one. Okay, let's start. Let's start by doing a village test.
I always get the Rise of Kingdoms advert as well.
You know, like some.
Yeah, nobody likes Rise of Kingdoms.
Even though I got the ad, not you. That's the ad.
I keep getting match masters as well. I hate Rise of Kingdoms and I hate match masters.
Same here.
And I hate Squid Game ads that I always get.
Yeah. Don't worry about them. Just
wait, if there was a Rainbow Friends ad like I got the game Rainbow Friends.
There's probably also Rabbit Man from the window game advert thing. You're hearing a video in a video. We're gonna break the space-time continuum. We're all gonna die.
I wish I could make videos. Wow.
Told you we were gonna die from the space-time continuum. We have to go to that house. I don't think that helped. Someone said their house was broken, so I'm gonna need a drill and a hammer for this one. I'm gonna put this house a bit. Just to make it look like it's actually broken. Couple holes in the wall.
Inside Rainbow. There is a Roblox Rainbow Friends game which is called Inside Rainbow Friends Game.
We're gonna have to open up this wall a tiny bit so the plate can fit. This one is fine. Just need it. Right.
How do you spell inside? This is not colon.
Amazing. Gus doesn't know how to spell.
I just want to know how to spell inside. It's too bad. Come on.
Wow, Gus is obviously a kid. I thought you knew. Inside. Easy. I-n-s-i-d-e.
Okay.
That's an easy one, Gus.
Okay. Roblox.
You just got like bad or something. He didn't get T. He's autistic. And your thing is done. The person comes back and to show him house. Oh, you call them the fixers. The fixies. No! My house!
I'm just gonna watch a game what's like.
Rainbow Friends glitch story.
This is kind of scary. Are you sure it's not scary?
Oh, it's definitely gonna be scary.
Oh no.
Are you ready?
Oh yeah.
Let's do this.
Hey Lucas, do you want to play a game until bedtime?
Now it's kind of.
Wow, Paul. I'm doing a video. Paul, turn it off. I'm doing a video. Paul, turn it off. Don't listen to the background. It's not my fault. This barely does any damage. Like this one. Lying in the wall. Oh my god, what happened here? Inside the wall. Half of your house is nearly blown off. That'd be a lot of money to fix all. And also I can't do that because I don't have enough bricks, so I might come back. Maybe not. Maybe I'll just leave my job. Oh, I'm out. Let's continue on. You definitely need to get a hole in the roof fixed by a different person, because I only do walls. And also I can't do all walls because I don't have more stuff in that box. Bye. The person comes back. No. He's just destroying the house now. And this one never.
is not the real purple. Purple is usually in advance.
Yep. Right. Bye.